one interesting thing that you should know, even though it is not technically a current affairs, but it did. I tried to connect the current affairs forcefully with the concept here. So the current affairs news item was Sikkim is home to 27% of India's flowering plants. Okay, 27% of India's flowering plant is present in Sikkim, and Sikkim's area itself is 0.2% of the geographical area of the country. Okay, so that's on the Sikkim. Now, why does Sikkim have so much of biodiversity of, especially when it comes to flora? Okay, so one reason what they have figured out is the altitude of Sikkim varies from 300 to almost up to Kanchenjunga, yeah, 8,598 meters. So at various altitudes, you have various what kind of diversity here? Can someone tell me at various altitudes what kind of diversity of the three diversities? Means the topmost level of diversity here would be the ecosystem diversity. Why? Why do I say this? Because you will have all the important things: subalpine vegetation, temperate vegetation, tropical vegetation. You have various kinds of vegetation. Now, when you have three kinds of ecosystem diversity, now each of that ecosystem diversity will have its own species, and hence the reason for high species diversity in case of Sikkim. So one aspect is geographical, definitely. Second, and the more important aspect is the people's orientation towards nature. People's orientation towards nature. So people's orientation towards nature is what? In general, the people of Sikkim and the state government of Sikkim are known for their environmental friendly practices and policies. Environmental friendly practices and policies. So much so that Sikkim has got an international recognition. Okay. Now the international recognition is it became world's first 100% organic state in 2019, and it received a very prestigious award from the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, which is called as the Future Policy Gold Award. Even if you can remember this 100% organic state, it kept coming for a long time. I'm sure some of you who have been preparing the last 1 or 2 years, you would have heard of this. And so this is about the government of Sikkim, the state government of Sikkim taking efforts. Now then comes another rule which came 2 years before that, which was called the Sikkim Forest Trees Amity and Reverence Rule 2017. What it says is you can associate yourself with a tree. It's such a novel concept. You can associate and you can create what is called as a fraternal relation. Fraternal means what? Brother, sister. Yeah, fraternal, fraternity, we say, no? Fraternal means brother, sister kind of a relation. So you can adopt a tree as a family member, as a brother or as a sister. And you can, as a citizen, I'm saying, as a citizen of the state of Sikkim, you can adopt a tree or trees through what is called as a myth, M-I-T-H. So that is the name that they have given to the relationship of a person adopting a tree. So as you can see, the reason why I'm saying this is, if at all in any exam, if something comes on organic state, organic agriculture, environmental friendly policies, fraternity between human beings and the forest, your answer must contain Sikkim as an example. Yeah, if not in mains, at least in essay, you should try to bring Sikkim and the organic policy and the myth relationship that they have created with